How comfortable are you when user stories and priority change?
Um, I'm not that comfortable, to be fair and square, because it depends the nature of the user story. I am very comfortable when I'm in a project for a while. Let's be fair and square. I am not comfortable when I am in the new. I struggle and I need to be upfront, but I am actually very elastic. So if something is new, I actually tell no to anybody. I do not tell this. I say, I want to do this, but please give me a little bit extra time so I can review. I can actually do some research and I need to know the people who I will be working. So if it is not a lot of changes, I'm happy actually with the changes. But if it is a lot of changes, still I'm happy, but I take extra time because again, we are protected by the product manager and the scrum master, and they actually say, do not worry, we are protecting you guys. A lot of drastic change is not going to happen, but the change is coming. As long as you are happy that you will be able to do it, we will be providing you the resources that will be answering your question, explaining you how this works, and they give you the resources. Some project not have enough resources, enough data on the people. Some project the have everything needed. When I do not have the enough resources, actually the connect with the scrum master product manager, and they actually the work collaboratively, they find out the resources and eventually I get it. So again, based on the situation, the figure things out, discover what to do, and then uh, become uncomfortable things become comfortable because it is the nature of the work, become a software development team member.